Star boy there, so. Get me to the game, don't want replace me. Me love my energy, strip, me no chaser. All of my guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me, me no chaser. Yeah, star boy call me number one. When me tune drop, the girls that bounce along. We don't let nothing come between me and me paper. So when me come in and the place, me on that take. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Become clean like me coming on me video. Me come through like a soldier. She give me tea and she pleasing my rosa. She got the keys to my Porsche and my Rover. We in Miami living la vida loca. Yeah, yeah, you got that teen, I know. You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, you got that teen, I know. You got the body, I know. You make me sing, I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer.
To mix up in drama, to go outside. To mix up in drama, to free my mind. Jealous people around me, I need to change my life. I just turn colder every time I try. What would I do without you, my Charlie? I don't feel that way with anybody. Tell me.
Hey y'all, so this is the finished look, and I think it's giving the girls what it needed. You know, I'm feeling the whole deep wave thing. I've never actually done deep wave hair, so I'm feeling myself right now. As you can see, I keep touching it. But basically, I did not wet it that much. I really like it poofy actually. And it's just giving me everything I needed. It's giving me Shaka Khan, girl. Get into it. Anyway, so yes, I hope you guys liked the tutorial. You liked how I did it. You liked how it came out. And if you did, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Like I said, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you in my next one.